Hello my dear student, today we shall begin with new chapter, that is surface chemistry. So here today we shall discuss important concepts, that is 7 important concepts. First one is introduction. Second one adsorption. Third one adsorption. Fourth one adsorption. Fifth one desorption. Sixth one absorption. And seventh one difference between absorption and adsorption. So let us move towards the introduction. So here, what do you mean by surface chemistry? So here, the surface chemistry is a branch of chemistry, various phenomena taking place at the surface of substance. So here, it is a branch of chemistry, various phenomena take place at the surface of substance. So this is called as surface chemistry. For example, corrosion. So here, what do you mean by corrosion? Corrosion, it is a natural process. Corrosion, it is a natural process, the conversion of refined metal into more chemically stable form, such as oxides or hydroxides. So consider example, iron, it undergo oxidation, so formation of ferric oxide, So here, so this is called as corrosion. So here, this corrosion is belongs to example of surface chemistry. So next, we move towards the next second concept is adsorption. So what do you mean by adsorption? So here, the process in which molecular, atomic or ionic species are accumulated on the surface of another substance, is called adsorption. So here, the process in which molecular, ionic, atomic species are accumulated on the surface of another substance. So this is called as adsorption. So here, consider example, if gaseous molecules accumulate on the surface of solid. So here, the gaseous molecules accumulated on the surface of solid. So here is an example for adsorption. So look, adsorption entry. So adsorption is one process. So ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ molecular, atomic, ionic species ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ accumulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. So ಏನು accumulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? Surface of other substance ಮೇಲೆ accumulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೇವೆ adsorption territory. So example ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡು, if gaseous molecules are accumulate on the surface of solid. So consider it is a solid the gaseous molecules are accumulated on the surface of solid. So this process is known as adsorption. This process is known as adsorption. So here in this example, so gaseous molecules are known as adsorbent. Gaseous molecules are known as adsorbent, and the surface of solid is known as adsorbent. So here the gaseous molecules are considered as adsorbent and the surface of solid is considered as adsorbent. So here what do you mean by adsorbent? So next one, what do you mean by adsorbent? Third one is adsorbent. So here the substance it may be liquid or gas that accumulates on the surface of solid. So here the substance it may be liquid or gaseous that accumulates on the surface of solid. So this is called as adsorbent. Example: oxygen on the tungsten. Oxygen on the tungsten. So here oxygen is considered as adsorbent. So here the substance it may be liquid or gas that accumulates on the surface of solid. So adsorbent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಂತಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ adsorbent ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆನ್ ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು adsorbent ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fourth one is adsorbent. Fourth one, adsorbent. So here the substance which provides surface for adsorption is called adsorbent. The substance which provides surface for adsorption is called adsorbent. For example, hydrogen gas on the nickel. So here nickel is considered as adsorbent. So adsorbent ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ adsorption ಆಗಕ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ adsorbent ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆನ್ ನಿಕೆಲ್. ಸೊ ನಿಕೆಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ adsorption ಆಗಕ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಕೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ adsorb. So here in first example, here oxygen is behaved as adsorbent and tungsten is considered as adsorbent because tungsten which provides surface for accumulation of oxygen. So therefore this oxygen is considered as adsorbent and tungsten is considered as adsorbent. Similarly, consider another example, hydrogen on the surface of nickel. So here nickel is considered as adsorbent because nickel is provides a surface for adsorption of hydrogen. So therefore nickel is considered as adsorbent and this hydrogen is considered as adsorbent. Is desorption. So here, desorption is a process in which removal of adsorbate molecules from the surface of adsorbent. So here the removal of adsorbate molecule from the surface of adsorbent. So this is called as desorption. So desorption ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ adsorbate molecules ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ adsorbate molecules ಇಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ desorption ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So here lowering the pressure and heating. Lowering the pressure and heating. So both are favorable condition for desorption. Both are favorable condition for desorption. Desorption. So here the substance penetrate uniformly. The substance penetrate uniformly into another substance is called absorption. So here the substance penetrate uniformly into another substance. So this is called as absorption. For example, water absorbs by sponge. So here water absorbs by sponge. So here, so this is called as absorption. So here the substance penetrate uniformly into another substance. This is called as absorption. Next, we move towards the difference between absorption and adsorption. Consider an example: water molecules absorbed by sponge. Consider it is sponge. So here water molecules absorbed by sponge. So here only little amount of water molecules present on the surface of the sponge, but the maximum amount of water molecules are present in the body of the sponge. So here ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so absorption ಒಳಗು water molecules ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ molecules ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, so now example for adsorption. So here ink is absorbed by chalk. Ink is absorbed by chalk. So here maximum amount of ink molecule is present on the surface of the chalk, but very little amount of ink molecules present in the body of the chalk. So ink ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು chalk ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ maximum amount of ink molecules surface of chalk ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಾವು, ಆಮೇಲೆ very little amount of ink molecules body chalk in the body ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವು. So these are the two examples. So here, so next first difference here. So here absorption is bulk phenomenon. Absorption, it is bulk phenomenon, and adsorption is surface phenomenon. Adsorption is surface phenomenon. Adsorption is surface phenomenon. So second one, the substance get absorbed is distributed uniformly throughout the body or throughout the bulk. So here the substance get absorbed is distributed throughout the body or throughout the bulk. So sponge ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು water deep ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, so water ಏನು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ sponge ಒಳಗೆ enter ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So here the substance which absorb get distributed uniformly throughout the body. So here second one in case of adsorption. So here the substance accumulate on the surface of another substance. The substance which accumulate on the surface of another substance. So here the concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface than body or than bulk. Here the concentration of adsorbate is maximum on the surface as compared to bulk. So here third point is the absorption is steady rate. Absorption is steady rate. But in case of adsorption, the rate of adsorption is very high in the beginning, but after that the rate of adsorption is decreases until equilibrium reach. Until equilibrium reach. So third point ಏನಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ equilibrium reach of motor slow ಆಗೈತಿ so here these are difference between adsorption and absorption. In today's class we discussed about the phenomenon like adsorption, absorption and terms like adsorbent and desorption. So here adsorption. So what do you mean by adsorption? So here the process in which molecular, atomic or ionic species accumulate surface of another substance. So this is called as adsorption. For example, if gas accumulate surface of solid, gas accumulate surface of solid. So this is an example for adsorption. So next, the term adsorbent, the substance which accumulate on the surface. The substance which accumulate on the surface. That substance is called as adsorbent. That substance is called as adsorbent. Or the substance like liquid or gas which accumulate on the surface of solid. This is also known as adsorbent. Consider example oxygen on the surface of tungsten. In this case, oxygen is considered as adsorbent and tungsten is considered as adsorbent. So here adsorbent means the substance which provides the surface for adsorption. The substance which provides surface for adsorption. So this is called as adsorbent. For example, hydrogen on the surface of nickel. So here nickel is considered as adsorbent and hydrogen is considered as adsorbent. So next term is desorption. So here name it indicates D means to remove. So here desorption. So here the removal of adsorbate molecule from the surface of adsorbent. So this is known as desorption. So here lowering the pressure and heating. So both are favorable conditions for desorption. So next one is absorption. So here the absorption is a process in which the substance penetrate uniformly throughout the body or throughout the bulk. So this is called as absorption. For example, water absorbs by sponge. Water absorbs by sponge. So next, last one is difference between absorption and adsorption. So here absorption it is the bulk phenomena and adsorption it is surface phenomena. So next, second point is the substance get absorption is distributed uniformly throughout the body or throughout the bulk. In case of desorption, adsorption, the molecules accumulate on the surface. So here the concentration of adsorbate is more on the surface than bulk. Next, third point, in case of absorption, the absorption is carried out in steady rate. But in case of adsorption, the rate of adsorption is very high in the beginning and slowly it decreases until equilibrium is reached. So here example is water absorbs by sponge in case of absorption and here in adsorbed by chalk. This is an example. So these are the assignment questions. Watch the video and try to